projects to create jobs and opportunities for young people. We saw with deep sadness these and other initiatives disrupted and undermined by the NRM government. Beyond business, James was a pillar of the struggle against dictatorship, nepotism, and state-sponsored violence. He quietly and consistently funded the political formations from the Reform Agenda to the Forum for Democratic Change and now to the People's Front for Freedom. Always encouraging and mentoring young leaders. His courage and resilience in the face of the regime's attempts to destroy his economic empire and blackmail him remain a testament of his strength of character and resilience. James has left an indelible mark on Uganda's political trajectory. He saddled the world of business and politics with unwavering integrity, standing firm for justice, serving his community, sharing his wealth generously, and mentoring countless young people, including the Deputy Speaker. He lived not for himself, but for others, and above all, for his beloved family. To peace, his devoted wife, and to the children, we thank you for sharing James with our political family and for caring for him until the last day. We say farewell to a hero of the struggle for justice and democracy and a leading light in Uganda's private sector. Fare thee well, James Garuga Musinguzi, a true son of Kigezi, of Uganda and Africa. Rest well, dear friend. We will not surrender. We will continue to struggle. Dr. Kizza Besigye and Honorable Winnie Byanyima. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Like I said, we are going to now reduce the time. But before we reduce the time, we are going to receive Honorable Kaberu, Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa to give his speech, and then we allow him to be free to leave.
Thank you, my Lord. We are resolved. One was to have this Lord from Hamurgwakerere to Kanungu named Garuga. I know, Mr. Speaker, of course, you would have received this message through the formal channel, but it's important as a son, but also the Deputy Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda, to receive here this message. Because we know that the trouble you have saved us from this morning is going to come to fight that motion and that decision by Kigezi and Ankole, but stand your ground to defend the son of Africa, the son of Uganda, Garuga. I think I don't have much time to say on this. I have the honor to invite you and speak to the people. Thank you so much for coming and for saving us the problem this morning.
And my Lord Bishop Nasigabya Kanungu bigumire. Awokuba nija kuzikomuzire kandi nantakwenda kuzo muri byinje binahora bigumire Kanungu. konkani tubashabira ba bishop bitu na n'abanyadini bona ababakwasa mama Peace na nabana Honorable Jim Mwezi, Minister wetu wa security, colleagues bagenzi banje, members of parliament, Chief Justice Emeritus Mika Turebe na Mami Wit Benedict mchara wawe, bakuru bebibina ebitari bimwe na bimwe bebembiro jeno muntu, abantu mwena abaziki bagenzi banje. Mama Peace ni nkwisaho okushasha kwanje na family yitu yabanjirana Daudi hamwe na no mchara wanje Rukundo Anita ubunijana kandi nagaruka nijana obutumwa kuruga wa president wihanga umukuru President Yoweri Museveni kandi obu yateko mu buhandike ubu nkuza kushoma naheza kugira ubugambo buke ubu nagamba ninza kugamba omurimi rwitu habwa abantu bitu baburijo habo kuba ntwire nimpura byona ntwire nimbareba Raiva Tayari TV nkabareba Kampala nkandi London konkana bareba nyo mwazona kansonje atendingire ebire Raiva Tayari West so imforo winjire byone bigenzero mishkonka nasige byakanungu byago konka nimba shaba mucendezeho ya kananka so Uncle James nkoko ntwire ni mweta nyowe nkamubugana umwaka 2025 obwe nibwo twabini tandika ekibina kitu echa FDC kandi nienda kutwara ugo mugisha na no kwanjura hone bonandara mafabi president wa FDC ebya abakwa politics okuziri oma politics nezo kusesa abokuba ati ninyijuka nkababire nibagira ngo umugisha muntu nimbega hati nubo bamuhekire so nikwe biri ntuguma nitambatambura konka nikwe biri ibyo tukabimanyira so kuna mubugine nyowenka yusi winga nkamugana karheje akar haka kanyakya byakunda kushita maife ya nandosi bakakashenya site ba yanza amwe narebe turyamikorere hebe dini konka ro kuyaturahuraga yanda musatiwe rugose niko yanda mukize murayimanya kaye gambiraga ndi cyo nacyo mbwene kute de bakwereze chipa yama nambyandise boti nkunywama yandebo misha toka fensigo anti mazima tinkaganywa nti ndio mwana muto ni nshoma atoryo mwojo wobwesije yambuza ataha yandabiramu yambuza ati kunabe ninza ugenda ati norara anti nindara hihi Buganda roda akariho Banadi na namurebirishe ishe Jackson Siraj so mugambira inkurara Buganda road ati wotina muri mushino basotezo sente nkani ndaro mukago down ndikushashure mitware 5 namugambira ahinkurara ata mugo down atawon bukabo azinka bukaburi nkabwa store owabira kambone no mwami Bruce baraba yanje ati ofuruko mugo down nyencha kare oje nkweze njumakingi yampereze njumakindye ninja mu mpogo ndo muzindaro mpe mu mpogo kanisa gwe no shane bagutina konka Reverend agabayenda kunda hora yanyisa karangi kanje ya mpogwa buru so yanjati enju ni nyenda nti obyamemu then enyuma za boys quarters uzipangise oyihe